How to redeem an Airbnb gift card. If you want to redeem your gift card on Airbnb, what you have to do is to open your browser and go to airbnb.com, or you could also use your respective application in the process, but you have to make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, from the bottom right, you can see the option called Profile. Just go to your profile option over there. So let me just go to this profile option. Once you're here, scroll down a bit further until you see the option called Account Settings and select it. From Account Settings, you can see the option called Payments. Just tap on it again. And under Payment Method, you can see the option called Add Payment Method. So you want to tap on the Add Payment Method button. And here you can see various options in this case, like a card details and so on. But if we scroll down, you can see another option called Airbnb Gift Credit. It says Add a Gift Card. So tap on this Add Gift Card button again. And this time it says to let's redeem your gift card. So now you just want to enter the PIN of your gift card, then tap on the redeem gift card button. If the gift card code is correct, your gift card will be redeemed, and based on the value of that gift card, you can use the balance from that gift card for your future bookings on Airbnb. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.